Om Shri Sai Ram. In this class, let us study little bit about millets. See here you are seeing different type of millets. How many millets are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 types of millets are there. So let us see what are all they. First one is finger millet. Next one is foxtail millet. Next one is sorghum. Next one is pearl millet. Next one is little millet. Next one is kodo millet. Next one is barnyard millet. These are all the different types of millets. These are all the different types of millets. So we have seen the different types of millets now. Now let us know some more about the millets. Now let us study the importance of millets. Okay, here you are seeing the millets, and let us study the importance of millets. Okay, what they have given here, let us see. Millets are small grained cereals that are grown with little input, mostly under unfavorable agriculture situations. Actually, this is about when millets were cultivated at the beginning. At the beginning, when there were no millets, millets were started in some places near Africa and Eurasia. Near Africa and Eurasia, for the first time, millets were grown. During that time, how it was grown, they are telling about that. Okay, millets are small grain cereals that are grown with little input, mostly under unfavorable agricultural situations. Okay, Eh, for any crop, you see, for any crop, especially paddy, wheat, and all, we need a lot of water, lot of manure, lot of minerals to to make the crops to grow. To make the crops to grow, we need lot of manure, lot of water for that, and lot of sunlight. But for this to grow the millets, we do not need so much of input. We do not need so much of water, so much of manure to grow the millets. To grow the millets. So with little bit input and with unfavorable agricultural conditions. For example, there in some places there will be no water, and sometimes there will be famine, there will be drought. On that time, uh, farmers can use this opportunity. Farmers can use this opportunity and grow millets in their fields and increase their business. So millets is helpful for the farmers to grow in unfavorable agricultural situations. Okay, these crops mainly originated in Africa and Eurasia, and these crops were for the first time grown near Africa and Eurasia. What is Eurasia? The place between Europe and Asia. The, the place that includes the continent Europe and the continent Asia is called Eurasia. Near the place near Eurasia and Africa, these crops were first time grown and were domesticated and later domesticated in many other countries. Okay, after that, after a long time, these millets were distributed to other countries. Okay. Okay, now we discussed little bit about millets. Now let us see the important im, important im, importance of millet. Why really we require millets. What is the what is the importance of millet? Importance means uh, importance means why millets are very necessary for the human beings. Why the millets are very necessary for the human beings to live. Let us know about it. Okay. Millets are climate resilient. Okay. Millets are climate resilient crops, and they may play an important role in reducing greenhouse gases by mitigating emission of nitrous oxide into environment. Okay. So here they have told millets millets have the capacity to reduce the greenhouse effect. Okay, millets have the capacity to reduce the greenhouse effect. Now we should understand what is greenhouse effect. Greenhouse effect, first let us understand what is greenhouse effect. greenhouse effect means greenhouse effect means due to lot of pollution, is in every vehicle they release carbon monoxide. In every vehicle they release carbon monoxide, and when in the refrigerator they release some gases. What these gases do? These gases go into the atmosphere. These gases go into the atmosphere and form holes in the ozone layer. Okay, these gases form holes near the ozone layer, and this carbon monoxide accumulates in the environment, accumulates the in the environment. And what these gases do? These gases trap the heat that is got from the sunlight. They trap the heat that is got from the sunlight, and they does not leave the heat to go away from the earth. When the heat does not go away from the earth will be heated more and more. The earth will be heated more and more, and the earth will be heated more and more, and there will be lot of lot of uh, lot of mm, disaster in the climate. Lot of disaster that will be going on in the climate. So to uh, to to reduce the greenhouse effect, to stop the greenhouse effect, to overcome the greenhouse effect, if we grow to overcome the greenhouse effect, millets uh, help in overcoming the greenhouse effect. To overcome the greenhouse effect, we can use millets. When we grow millets, these millets release these millets release uh, these millets release some of the gases like nitrous oxide. They release some of the gases like nitrous oxide and help in reducing the greenhouse effect. To reduce greenhouse effect, we can use millets. Okay. 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 Next, let us know some more importance of millets. Some more importance of millets are: is it good to eat millets daily? If we eat millets daily, is it good? Is it advantageous for our health? It is favorable. Is it favorable for our health? That is the question. So for those who are health conscious and are are very and very about what they eat, and those who are health conscious and worry about what they eat, experts suggest that millet should be a part of their daily regular diet. And what experts say, what doctors say that millet should be a part of your daily diet. If you eat millets daily, then your health increases. How it increases? Millets are nutritious. They increase the nutrition in the body. And non-glutinous, and non-glutinous means non-sticky, and are not acid forming food. And Not acid forming food means it reduces the gastric trouble. It reduces the gastric trouble and thus make and help and thus making them very easy to digest and help, and these millets helps us to digest the food very easily. Okay. Okay. Next, let us know the next importance. What is the next importance of millet? What are millets? Why are millets very important? For why what are millets, and why are millets very important crops of India? Why the millet crops are very important in India? Millets are very important crops of India because they are considered most important crop. They are they are considered most important crops because they have high nutrition levels in them and are very good for health. They have very high nutrition level and are very good for health. That means it provides lots of nutrition. It provides lots of nutrition and it is very favorable for health. If you eat it, it is very good for health. They contains proteins. They contains proteins which help in recharging the body and energy, and and also iron and calcium. So proteins help in the growth of the body, to build the body, to growth of the body, and to energize the body, and it also helps in increasing the iron and calcium. When you increase the iron, your hemoglobin level increases, your energy level increases, and when you increase the calcium level, your bones become strong. So now let us study the uses of millets. Now let us study the uses of millets. Millets can be grown using less water in less period of time. As I told before, millets need very less water and less manure. So in the unfavorable agricultural conditions like famine and drought, farmer can use this opportunity to grow the millets. Okay, they grow easily in different environment and climatic conditions, and with different means, even if there is no rain, even if there is more heat, the millets grows, and these can be grown without using chemical fertilizers. These for the to get the chemical fertilizers, we require lot of money. Even we can stop the spending of money up to the chemical fertilizers and pesticides and herbicides. Millets can be grown without chemical fertilizers, pesticides and herbicides. These are called the friends of famine. As I told, it will be helpful in during the for the farmer during the time of famine. These cereals have a lot of nutrients. Millets have a lot of nutrients and helpful to increase the health. Thank you. Om Shri Sai Ram.